Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland and welcome to 8 Tyburnia Ave, Mount Albert. This beautiful home is the perfect starter for those looking to get into the city fringe market. It's full of character and the owners have done a great job. This home is totally ready for you to move in and enjoy. With 2 double bedrooms, a large lounge and separate dining and kitchen, there's enough space for the whole family. The polished floors, wooden joinery and high ceilings add charm, and the modernised kitchen makes living easy. The open plan dining and kitchen give it quite a spacious feel, and it opens to a lovely north facing deck, which is an absolutely fantastic place to spend your time enjoying the sunshine. The off-street car parking rounds out the package, and this home would certainly suit a young couple, downsizers or a small family. This little pocket of Mount Albert is becoming more and more sought after. It has lots of lovely cafes nearby, is serviced well with parks, schools and recreation grounds, and has easy access to the motorway in any direction. Plus the CBD and St Lukes Mall are close by. This home is way too cool to last very long on the market. Make sure you come along on the weekend and aren't disappointed. We look forward to seeing you there.